Hey guys, how to generate AI-powered illustration with ArtBreed. So ArtBreed is a collaborative AI platform that enables users to create and modify images through a combination of text prompts and parameter adjustments. While ArtBreeder primarily focuses on blending existing images and adjusting various parameters, genes, for example, to create new images, it also offers prompter feature that allows users to generate images based on text descriptions. For example, I'm going to go ahead to the official website, as you can see right here, artbreeder.com, and go ahead and click try for free, right? And now what I'm going to do, I can just go ahead, right, and write my prompt, and they will generate it in real time. So for example, a serene landscape, right, featuring rolling hills, and as you can see above, they generated that photo, and basically continue typing your prompt, right? You could go ahead and continue to create a free account, because I'm not using a account, that's why I need to log in using my account. Continue, right? And then rolling hills, continue typing under twilight sky. And then with solitary tree, silhouetted, hooded against the setting sun. As you can see, you're gonna see right here the final results. If you want to enhance, you could go ahead and click enhance the photo, and then you're gonna be able to save it to your device by clicking save at the top right. Okay, you can go ahead and hit save right here, and basically you're gonna be able to save it to your device by clicking save right here next to the save button. We saved it in our workspace. You can hit download, and as you can see, you're gonna be able to download it right away. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.